Hello there and welcome. I don't talk about hair accessories much, but today I'm going to talk about one that I've been using a lot lately, and that is a buff. This is an unsponsored video and I bought this thing with my own money. I'm not getting paid to advertise or talk about it in the least. I'm just going to talk about some ways that this has made my life easier and give you some ideas for using it possibly. A lot of people with curly hair know that they can use these to protect their hair at night. You just pop it on like this.
It probably works best for people with short to medium hair, although with longer hair you could put a pineapple underneath.
And you can tie the top part if you want to in a little knot. I really like this a lot to sleep in at night when I've washed my hair at night and dried it most of the way. And then when I sleep with my hair like this, when I wake up in the morning, I have a lot more volume than I would if I just, washed and styled my hair without putting it in the buff and sleeping all night. Aside from using it to protect your hair at night, I'm going to show you a few more ways that you can use this. You can use it on a bad hair day. I like to leave a little bit of my hair coming out up at the top, but you can do whatever you want. I also like to take this bottom part and tuck it under here like this so that it doesn't flop around too much. You can also do this to protect your hair from cold or from the wind. You can put your hair up like this to protect it during the day if you have somewhere important to be at night. You can use it to protect your hair from a hat. You can use it to protect your hair from a helmet. In that case, I would tuck it all in, tuck this under, and then put the helmet on. See, it doesn't look too bad after coming out of that.
And finally, if you don't want to get your hair wet in the shower, you can use the buff to protect your hair from your shower cap.
I hope this helps give you some ideas, ways to protect your hair from the normal everyday stresses. I just got these from Amazon. They're very easy to find, microfiber buffs. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay curly.